My dear learners, in this session we will discuss about the preparation of various ledger accounts, when and how. So pay your attention because this is most important lecture. Generally, we prepare any ledger when more than two informations for particular item is given in the question. We have broadly three ledger accounts which need to be prepared. First is for provision for taxation account. Second ledger we need to prepare is asset account, and sometimes we need to prepare provision for depreciation account. I am again highlighting, it is not necessary that we will have to prepare ledger account in every solution, but depending upon the requirement of the question. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में एक पर्टिकुलर आइटम की दो से ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशंस दी हो, देन वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ लेजर अकाउंट. First is the treatment of provision for taxation. Provision of taxation by nature is liability. There are three different situations about provision for taxation as it was discussed in the previous lecture also. Case 1. This is a situation when provision for taxation is given only in the balance sheet. Means adjustment में provision of taxation की कोई information नहीं है. This is an example. If provision for taxation 2019 previous year is given 50,000 and 2020 current year value is given 60,000. अब हमें adjustment में नहीं दिया, but ये दो values हमें बैलेंस शीट में दी हैं. We will not prepare ledger account, but what will be its treatment? Treatment is जो current year की value है, that is 2020. So current year value would be added in operating activity. When we start our solution, हम starting में note number 1 prepare करते हैं जिसमें we show profits before tax. उसमें net profit में this provision for taxation of current year is added. इनका कभी difference नहीं लेना. And about previous year, this value is also to be adjusted under operating activity and it is subtracted in the bottom of the sum. जहाँ पे operating activity की last step में we used to write less tax paid. So this previous year value is to be subtracted. This is case 1. In case 2, when provision for taxation is given only in adjustments, हमें adjustment में provision of taxation की information दी है, लेकिन balance sheet में उसकी कोई value available नहीं है. In such a situation, we cannot prepare ledger account. इस situation में, like this is an example, provision for taxation during the year is 18,000. They can even write here tax paid during the year, or it can be given provision for tax made during the year. जब adjustment में एक value दी है, but हमने treatment उसके दो करने हैं. So same value will be added in operating activity and will be subtracted from operating activity like case 1. Here we had two values current and previous, लेकिन इसमें एक ही वैल्यू दी है. इसी वैल्यू को आप ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में प्लस करेंगे और सेम आइटम को आप ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में से माइनस भी करेंगे. माइनस एंड में करेंगे एंड एडिशन विल बी डन इन नोट नंबर 1. Now most important is case number 3. Be attentive. According to case number 3, if we have provision for taxation information inside the balance sheet, they have given two values, current year, previous year, and they have provided us adjustment also. In such a situation, here like example is given provision for tax 2019, ये balance sheet information है 60,000, 2020 information है 72. So these two values are given to us inside the balance sheet, and we have been given an adjustment also. Tax paid during the year 25,000. अब जब हमारे पास more than 2, that is 3 informations हैं, so we have to prepare ledger account. See how to prepare ledger account. It's very important. Ledger account for tax, left side is debit side, right side is credit side. जो टैक्स है वो हमारे लिए लायबिलिटी है and whenever we prepare any ledger's account, brought down is always previous year value. liabilities का brought down credit side पे लिखा जाता है and assets का brought down debit side पे. this is the liability. आप लिखोगे by balance brought down. so this balance brought down for liabilities is always on credit side, assets is on debit. और brought down में हमेशा previous year की value लिखेंगे. this is previous year, so here value will be written 60,000. now next item, leave one line here and in second line it will be written to balance carried down. this will be the current year value. this is for your reference. आपने वहां नहीं mention करना solution में. this is previous year for brought down and current year as a carried down. current year value 72,000. this will be labeled 72,000 in second line. here it will be closed. similarly here in second line this will be closed. अब very important information is कि यहाँ एडजस्टमेंट में पेड वर्ड दिया है या मेड दिया है. पेड एंड मेड बोथ हैव डिफरेंट ट्रीटमेंट, सो डू नॉट गेट मिसलेड. अगर पेड है तो मेड हम फाइंड करेंगे, अगर मेड लिखा है तो पेड हम फाइंड करेंगे. सो आउट ऑफ पेड एंड मेड क्वेश्चन में एक वैल्यू देंगे और अदर वैल्यू वी विल कैलकुलेट, बट इट्स पोजीशन इज फिक्स्ड. Paid is always written on the debit side. Paid means to cash. So this will be written like this, to cash. So be careful. जब भी उन्होंने paid लिखा है, that means to cash और paid की वैल्यू हमेशा debit side पे आएगी. This is given 25,000. This will be jotted here on the debit side. Now next step is totaling. This will become 97,000. Same 97,000 will be labeled here. 97,000. Now next step is to balance it. To balance the ledger, ये हम अपनी तरफ से value find करेंगे and this is known as balancing the ledger by profit and loss. This is known as made. अगर क्वेश्चन में made value दी है तो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे, balancing figure यहाँ आएगी. So out of paid made कोई भी एक balancing figure होगी. This is our balancing figure. This answer is difference of this 37,000. Now next step is कि इसका treatment कैसे show करना है. When we have prepared a ledger account, जो paid वाली value है ये आप operating activity में minus करेंगे and made वाली value operating activity में plus करेंगे. So its treatment is this item will be added in operating activity. In operating activity, paid will be subtracted and made this item will be added in operating activity. जब आप sum start करते हो नोट नंबर 1 में ये वाली वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे और ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी के एंड में दिस वैल्यू विल बी subtracted. Concept is preparation of asset account. Here is case 1. Example: if land and building in the balance sheet for current year value is provided 6 lakh and for previous year value is mentioned 2019 5 lakh. In addition, we have an adjustment which states that during the year building costing rupees 85,000, accumulated depreciation rupees 15,000, sold for 65,000. Now, since we have been given two informations inside the balance sheet and there is an adjustment which talks about depreciation and which tells us about the sale value, we have multiple information. In such an event, we will have to prepare one asset account. If this adjustment is not given in the question, it is simple given land and building, this is current year value, this is previous year value, and there is no adjustment, then we will not prepare any asset account. फिर हमें asset account बनाने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. But अब हमारे पास मल्टीपल एडजस्टमेंट्स भी हैं as well as we have information inside the balance sheet, so we have to prepare. जब हम लेजर अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो एसेट्स का ब्रॉट डाउन डेबिट साइड पे होता है, लायबिलिटीज ब्रॉट डाउन इज ऑलवेज शोन क्रेडिट साइड. जस्ट नाउ आई इन्फॉर्म्ड यू. So this is an asset to balance brought down. One thing which need to be kept in mind, brought down चाहे asset का हो या liability का, but in brought down we always show previous year value. This is not to be shown in the favor. This is just for the format. So previous year is 2019. Here value will be 5 lakh. So 5 lakh is copied over here. Leave here 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and in 4th line we have to write by balance carried down. Balance carried down is always current year's value. So this is given to us in current year 6 lakh. Here we are with the value 6 lakh and close it here. This is how the ledger account will be closed. Now, moving on to the adjustment, it is given during the year building costing rupees 85,000. When we are preparing any ledger, हमने costing की value ledger account में नहीं show करनी. This is only for calculation of profit and loss. Moving on, here it is given that depreciation is rupees 15,000. Depreciation is recorded on the credit side, so it will be written by depreciation. This depreciation amount of 15,000 will be jotted 15,000. Next step is they are told sold for rupees 65,000. This means by selling we receive the cash. So this is cash sale. Not only cash, word cash sale is to be written. Cash sale is 65,000. This value will be recorded here on the credit side. It is sure that whenever we sell anything, we may earn profit or loss. Next step is we have to calculate the loss or profit by selling this asset. For this, come to the working note. In working note, we will apply our formula. First is cost price, that is costing. What was the costing of this asset which is sold? This is 85,000. Costing is not shown inside the ledger, but it is used in working note. Our costing price is 85,000. 85,000 minus depreciation जो हमारी है, that is given 15,000. We need to reduce it from here. Less 15,000. Net result is 70. अब ये हमारी बुक वैल्यू चीज की है 70, मींस इसकी हमारे अकॉर्डिंगली वैल्यू बन रही है, दैट इज नोन एज बुक वैल्यू. सो बुक वैल्यू इज 70,000, लेकिन आपने सेल किया इसको 65,000 पे. लेस सेलिंग प्राइस. If selling price is more than book value, then we enjoy profits. If selling price is less than book value, then we suffer loss. आपने 70,000 की चीज को 65,000 पे सेल किया, therefore we had a loss out of this deal, and this loss is 5,000. If there is a loss, it is recorded on credit side by loss on sale. If it is a profit, then it is shown on debit side. In one deal, either there will be profit or there will be loss. So loss on sale is 5,000. Once this all columns are filled, last step is to balance the ledger. हमने ledger को balance करना है. So this is the bigger side. We'll find the total. This is 85,000. So 5, 8, 6. Total is 6,85,000. Same total is to be jotted here 6,85,000. To balance it, if difference comes this side, it is titled as cash purchase. This is a balancing figure. It is not given, we are calculating it to balance it. Difference is 1,85,000. Now comes this where and how these items will be transferred. Once this ledger is prepared, this depreciation amount will be transferred to operating activity and this will be added under non-cash items. Second head. Cash sale will be transferred to investing activity and this amount will be added. If there is a loss on sale, we know very well operating activity में loss on sale को non-cash items में plus करते हैं. This is not to be shown anywhere. Opening is not to be shown, and this will be shown under investing activity negative minus. If there is a profit, this will be shown to operating activity minus. This is about your preparation of asset account. Very important thing. Sometimes you may find one more extra information, like if in question one depreciation is already given 15,000 and if there is one more depreciation given higher than this depreciation rupees 40,000 for example. This situation can also happen कि आपको एडजस्टमेंट में सिंगल एसेट के ऊपर, सिंगल मींस एक ही एसेट के ऊपर दो डेप्रिसिएशंस की वैल्यूज दी हैं. लाइक वन डेप्रिसिएशन इज गिवन हियर 15,000 एंड सेम उसी एसेट के ऊपर एक और डेप्रिसिएशन दी है जो इससे हायर वैल्यू है. इन सच ए केस आप दोनों में से जिसकी हायर वैल्यू होगी वो यहां पर रिकॉर्ड करोगे. मींस आपके पास दो वैल्यूज हैं बट सेम एसेट के ऊपर, तो दोनों में से हायर वैल्यू है 40. फिर हम यहाँ 15,000 नहीं शो करेंगे, 15 कैलकुलेशन में शो करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे शो करेंगे 40,000. लास्ट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट इज अबाउट preparation of provision for depreciation account. This is an exceptional case. If in your question you have been given plant and machinery asset की दो वैल्यूज हैं और क्वेश्चन में ही डेप्रिसिएशन की भी दो वैल्यूज दी हैं. See the difference in this case and this case. यहाँ पे this is my balance sheet part. ये मेरा balance sheet part है. Here this was the balance sheet part. In this question the balance sheet only asset value was given and depreciation की एक ही information थी, additional information अंदर नहीं थी. But in this question we have asset की दो values, then even provision for depreciation की भी दो values हैं and in adjustment also depreciation is given. So आपके पास depreciation की भी more than two values, हमें depreciation का count बनाना पड़ेगा. And for asset we have one information, two information. Depreciation is on asset, asset is sold. Multiple information about asset, तो asset account भी बनेगा. ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं होगी कभी भी कि आपको अकेला डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट बनाना पड़े, बट ऐसी सिचुएशन आ सकती है कि अकेला एसेट अकाउंट बने. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल प्रिपेयर एसेट अकाउंट एंड देन वी विल प्रिपेयर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. बी अटेंटिव टू स्टार्ट विद दिस asset account. First information as it is, since it is an asset, so I will run through to balance brought down. In balance brought down we are showing previous year. 2018 is previous year, so this value is 4 lakh rupees. Next, leave one line, two line, three line, and in fourth line it will be written by balance carried down. In this we always show current year value, that is 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh will be noted over here, and then after this total lining, same totaling is to be done over here. Next step is by depreciation, and in this depreciation of adjustment is to be shown. Given in the question is 20,000, so 20,000 will be written over here. Next step is we have to find the sale value. Now I have again changed the case. In this case, read the statement. It is written sold for 65,000. ये 65,000 direct sale की value नहीं बनती. Now there is a twist. It is written sold at a profit of 5,000. So this 5,000 is not the value of sale, rather it is the value of profit. Similarly, even they can give it sold at a loss of 5,000. So you have to keep your mental faculty and you have to stay alert. Therefore, this is the value of profit. It will be copied here because profit on sale is always written on the debit side. So profit on sale is rupees 5,000. This is not sale value. In fact, this is the profit value. अब हम sale value खुद calculate करेंगे by applying this same formula. I am running short of space. I am using this space here. मेरी asset की costing value है 1 lakh. Costing is not recorded here. So it will be written here that costing, our costing is rupees 1 lakh. From 1 lakh we have to subtract the depreciation, which is 20,000 minus depreciation. Depreciation value is 20,000. So the net book value is 80,000. This is our book value. अब बुक वैल्यू 80,000 है और ये चीज मैं 5,000 प्रॉफिट में बेच रहा हूं. So profit will be added in this plus profit of 5,000. This will give me value of sale. So selling price will be 85,000. 85,000 will be recorded on this credit side by cash sale. It is 85,000. Last step is we have to balance, because either we will have loss or we will have profit. Profit हो गया तो loss नहीं आएगा. We have to balance the ledger. This side will become 5 and 6 lakh 5,000. So 6 lakh 5,000. Same total is to be shown here. 6 lakh 5,000. Find the balancing figure. Balancing figure is to cash purchase. To cash purchase. This is our balancing figure. The difference will be 5,000. This is 35. So 5 and 5. 5,000, 0 and 2. This is 2 lakh value. Now the treatment, depreciation, cash sale. This will be transferred to investment activity plus your cash purchase will be investment activity minus profit on sale will be transferred to operating activity, but this will be subtracted. Rest depreciation as told in this question कि ये depreciation operating activity में जाएगी, but in this question हम depreciation का account बना रहे हैं, फिर ये depreciation operating activity पे नहीं जाएगी. इसी की difference. इस question में हमने depreciation account नहीं बनाया, तो ये वाला आंसर हमने ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में प्लस किया था, लेकिन अब हमने डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट बनाना है तो ये ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में नहीं जाएगी, रादर ये यहां से क्रॉस होके यहां आएगा. So this will be crossed or transferred to provision for depreciation account. This will not be transferred to operating activity. It will be written as to asset, that is plant and machinery. So it will be to plant and machinery. This 20,000 will be crossed here in this ledger account. Provision for depreciation is a liability. Liabilities का drawdown is shown this side, credit side. It will be by balance drawdown. Previous year value depreciation. Previous year is 18. 18 की value है 20. So 20,000 will be shown here. And to balance carry down. This is the value of current year. Current year value is 25,000 and we are done. This is the totaling 45,000. Same total is to be copied on the credit side, 45,000. Find the balancing figure, that is written as by profit and loss. This difference is 25,000 and this will be transferred to operating activity plus. This is how the treatment of provision for depreciation, preparation of asset account and